Greetings and good morning, in some cases good night. It's the Thursday rush hour, the 29th of April. Who's coming out? We got Rodney and Dell, we got Goldie, I can see there. A flying rooster comes out. We got Alfred there, we saw Cherry out. Here comes Eddie. Oh, there's so many out. We got Emerson Lake, where's Palmer? We got Ruby, we got the wonderful little sheep here. Oh, there's Tiddler. There's Poppy. Quish, it's all going crazy. Here comes the noisy geese. Where's Giggle? We got Wiggle out. Wiggle's out. We got Wiggle. Where's Giggle? We want Giggle. I can see Seb. I can see Pickles. I can see Michael. Oh my goodness, they're still coming out. Oh, CC's out as well. We got the Fab 3. Where's the Fab 4 gone? They're off out here. So we got CC. We got Gilbert. They're all coming out slowly this morning. Oh, here comes a couple of the Matthew, Mark. We're looking forward to having a Volunteers Day to help out. We got lots of work to do as always, and a big shout out to all our volunteers and especially to our patrons. You mean a lot to us. So we got Ruth there feeding with Tiddler. We got Ruby the lamb having the meal with Goldie. Quish, it's all good. There's no Giggle. Where's Caroline's Giggle? Oh my goodness, we need a Giggle, and we got a Wiggle here as well. Good morning, Wiggle. Good say good morning, Chris. Good morning. We got the alternative rush hour. Who's coming out first? It's like little Smile and Scurry there. We got the honk. The honk is out. It's honktastic. Oh, we got Addy out there as well. Mr. Honk, where you going, Chris? I need to get out. We got Michael. We got a little. I'm sure there's a Steve there. A Stephen there. Chris. Back out through the rush hour door. And here we are, Marlene, having a good breakfast there. A Caroline special. We got the goats out as well. We got... Who we got in here? We got Apple and Banana. The wonderful Apple and Banana. So from Coco, Quish. Banana time. It's crunch time. It's our crunch time.